Okay. So ISO ISC 27001 and the NIST Cybersecurity Frameworks or CSF are internationally recognized standards and frameworks designed to help the organizations manage and enhance their information security and cybersecurity measures. While both aim not to protect organizational data and systems, they differ in approach, no, scope, and implementation focus, catering a wide range of industries, no, and organizational needs. ISO ISC 27001 excuse, part of the ISO ISC 27000 family of standards is a globally accepted framework for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management systems. It provides a systematic approach, no, to managing sensitive company informations, no, encompassing people, processes, and IT systems. Organizations certified under ISO ISA 27001 demonstrate their commitment, no, to protecting data confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which enhances trust among clients, partners, and stakeholders because its certification process is particularly beneficial for business dealing with global clients or requiring compliance with international standards. On the other hand, NIST cybersecurity framework developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology in the United States provides voluntary guidance for managing and reducing cybersecurity risk. The framework is organized into five core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover, offering a comprehensive life cycle approach to cybersecurity. It is designed actually to be flexible and adaptable to various industries and sizes of organization, making it a widely adopted framework in the US and beyond, especially in sector critical to national security. While ISO ISA 27001 emphasizes the formal establishment of a management system, complete with policies, objectives, and continuous improvement processes, the NIST CSF is more focused on risk management and practical guidance. So the NIST framework is often seen as how to guide for enhancing cybersecurity practices, where ISO ISA 27001 provides a structure what to do. Okay? NIST is how to, then ISO ISA 27001 what to do framework, which measurable goals and objectives. Of organization often use both, no, in tandem with ISO AC 27001 o providing a foundation actually for strategic security management and NIST CSF guiding day-to-day cybersecurity activities. Both framework underscore the importance of addressing insecurities holistically, incorporating technology, people, and processes. They are also emphasize the need for continuous improvement in response to evolving threats. I believe not through adapting ISO ISA 27001, the NIST cybersecurity framework, or a combination of both. Organizations can better safeguard their data, mitigate cybersecurity risks, and demonstrate their commitment to robust security practices to stakeholders, of course, and their regulators. Okay?